In this video, we're going to have a quick look at the best practice way to join a Microsoft Teams meeting. So whether you've been sent the meeting or you've created it yourself, that information's probably been fed through into your Outlook or your Google Calendar or any other calendar that you use, and there'll be a link in there to access the meeting. The problem with using that link, if you don't have the Microsoft application downloaded, or if you accidentally click on the wrong option, you could end up joining a Teams meeting as a guest. And there's two issues there. One, you have to put more information in, and two, you just miss a couple of the functions depending on who set the meeting up and how they've set the permissions up. So to join a Teams meeting in the easiest way, my best practice is always to come into Teams. I'm in here quite often anyway, because all of my work, all of my conversations and all of the collaboration and information is in Teams, within chats and Teams and all of my channels. So I'm usually in here anyway, and it's very quick and easy for me just to go to the calendar. And when I go to the calendar, on the left hand side I can see my meetings there, and there's a nice big purple join button as well. And that appears roughly around 5 minutes before the meeting starts, that's scheduled to start. So just click on join, or you can double click into the meeting. You may have noticed recently it's not a one click anymore on the calendar. One click gives you a preview, 2 clicks get you into the meeting. But if I just click on join there, it's going to take me into the meeting, and then I can just define how I want to join the meeting with my microphone on or off and with my camera on and off. And then I can just click on join now. I do have some other options down at the bottom, but I'm already in Teams here, so this is such a great idea. I can click on join and no issues with any of the functionality that I need to use.